everybody, welcome to Vlogmas in the craft room. What are we doing today? Glad you asked. We're going to make a couple of ornaments for the tree. First, you can cut out simple shapes of ornaments, and just that itself would make a very empty tree full of life. So if you've got a bunch of different Christmas color cardstock, we're going to dress these up a little bit. And I've already made one for you, and it says Be Jolly. I really like this hook weeder from Cricut. It's my favorite one to use, although sometimes it just takes me a little bit to get an edge up. And then once I get an edge up, I can pretty much just pull away on this permanent vinyl. That worked. Now I just have to take away the extra bits, which in this case is an E and the edge of the mask. Other thing you're going to need is transfer paper and transfer tape. And you can use Cricut transfer tape, it works well. But if you don't have any on hand and you can't get any and you need something quick, you can just get contact paper and that will work. I'm going to take this little scraper. You can use the brands from Cricut, but they also have some like scrapers that you can find in the painter section at your hardware store, and that works too. But since I have it, might as well use the Cricut brand. And you're just gonna, oh no, you're just gonna ruin your lettering, because that's what I did. All right, because usually I do it on the back like this. I just wasn't thinking. And then I pull up the back very carefully and see if I can actually get it up. Sometimes things are a little stubborn and you have to press again, but that time it worked. Now what I'm going to do is turn this over and scrape it. Since I already ruined the lettering, I don't want to ruin it anymore. So turn it over and then very gently, and you see how I pulled this, instead of lifting it up like this, I'm pulling it as close as I can to the ornament and pulling back like this. Some of my contact paper is sticking to that letter that I messed up, but it still looks pretty good. Turned it over, and now that worked. There we go. Merry Xmas. Now I just put this on plain white just so that everyone can see it, but you could do it with the colorful cardstock too. Now we're going to try to do the iron-on, and you're going to see it cut out right here. This is a funny one about toilet paper in 2020. Because if you're going to make an ornament, you might as well make it, oh no. I'm going to have to redo my 2020. First, I'm going to make sure the toilet paper's in the right spot. everything lines up well. So, constant pressure, light pressure. Same thing. Now you can see the glue from underneath that's seeping out. Oh, my little toilet paper roll didn't work well there because I wasn't thinking. But this is a learning lesson, right? This is what I should have been doing. Because this is melting under the extra heat. Oh, that didn't stick. So bottom line is, it can be done, but it's a little tricky. But I do like the look of it, and you're not going to be able to tell, but it looks a little glittery on the outside of the letters. Let's do it on the back side. So, showed you some ornaments. We can make ornaments with paper and iron-on. The iron-on, you do need to be a little more careful, simply because if your letters are skinny or your lines are skinny, you just got to remember to use the Teflon paper. And otherwise your letters start to melt. You can also use permanent vinyl on it as well. You could use it on white cardstock, on black cardstock, on colorful cardstock, and it will just give you some extra ornaments to have on your tree, especially if you're just starting out and don't have that many ornaments. But you've purchased a lot of iron-on or regular vinyl, and you've got cardstock on hand, and you have a Cricut. Just make them. If you want a tutorial on how I design these through Cricut Design Space, comment below and I'll see if I can put that footage together for you. All right? Bye. Why is it blurry? What the heck? If you like what you see, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Oh, and I might be showing you a little small footage of snow coming soon.